Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And as well as trading good. And always take the profitable trade. And hopefully you all enjoy my videos and may also be learn from my videos too. If anyone wants to join my course in technical analysis, they can join. I making all this video for educational purpose. If anyone wants to trade, please analyze the chart within yourself, or you can consult with your financial advisor. Everyone, to all of you, wishing to all of you the happy Dashera and Shubho the Dashami. Hopefully, you all enjoy the Navratri, Durga Puja last week, and it is the happy Dashami and happy uh, Dashera to all of you. Hope coming months and coming weeks will be benefited to all of you and prosperous for to all of you. Anyway, this is the Monday morning coffee with technical analysis. Hope you all benefited from my Monday morning coffee with technical. My last two previous video also giving the good return. Today I am going to make on two stocks analysis on two stocks. One is Polyplex Corporation Limited and another is Philips Carbon. Hopefully, these two stocks also giving you benefited. Anyway, first I am going to analyze the Polyplex Corporation. You all say this is the heart of Harborton Formation, and after that 850 high, the stock reaches to near about 650 levels, and now again 802 levels. Polyplex India now trading in last weeks at last day. You can see all that it is trying to round a round shape bottom formation is the good sign for the Polyplex or corporation also. You can say this is the price behavior or price pattern. Last week bar also a very good weekly positive bar. Bullish bar is showing in this Polyplex corporation. This is also a very good sign for the Polyplex Corporation. It breaks the 758 levels and sustain above that levels. At this moment, 770 and 760 levels is a very good support levels. These two support levels for the Polyplex Corporation, and the resistance levels will be 840 and next 875 levels. For the very short term, this is the two resistance levels at this moment. If 875 levels is cross and sustain above that levels, 875 levels if you cross and sustain Polyplex Corporation, then 975 এবং 900 950 and 1050 levels is the next target will be Polyplex Corporation if it is hold and sustain above that 875 levels. So for a very short term, it's 840 and 875 levels is the very good resistance level, and support level will be 772 and 758 to 760 levels is the two support levels for the Polyplex Corporation. Near terms is looking bullish. Other indicator of the technical analysis is showing bullishness. That is why I am analyzing this Polyplex Corporation India Corporation Limited at this moment. And another is Philips Carbon. This is also showing the bullishness. The heart of higher bottom formation it's create. This is the upper trend line supporting at this moment, and you all see this is the breakout of the Philips Carbon. This is a very good sign for the Philips Carbon at this moment. So at this moment, 144 levels is a very good strong support levels for the Philips Carbon. And coming weeks we can see is a very bullishness. 159 levels and 170 levels is the next two resistance, good resistance levels for the Philips Carbon. Volume is a increase in significantly in this area. This is a two good sign. It's a volume breakout we can say. 144 levels if it's sold, we can see this is a Philips Carbon looking bullish in coming weeks also. You all see Is the volume increase and the volume breakout is there in this Polyplex Corporation. The other indicator also showing bullishness in the Philips Carbon. So I am going to be very bullish in this Philips Carbon in near weeks, or you can say coming weeks. The 144 levels is the, if it's sold 144 to 140 levels, if it's sold, then Philips Carbon showing the bullishness towards 159 and then 176 70 levels is two resistance levels we can get in the Philips Carbon. This is the morning analysis of two stocks on Philips Carbon and Polyplex Corporation Limited. Hopefully, you all benefited in coming weeks also. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And please, if anything required more, please comments in my comment box, or you can give any suggestion. If anyone wants to join my course, they can also join my course. And this is the educational purpose video. Hope you all benefited from my videos. And to get the notification, please subscribe my channel. And again, thanking you to all of you. Always watch my description box. You get the previous Monday morning and analysis, Monday morning coffee with technical analysis in my description box. Also, and again, happy Dashera and happy Shubho Vijaya to all of you. And thanking you again